Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming essentials. You have the required level and at least one enchant token, and you backed up your loadout. Open Fntd, go straight to Settings, then Mods, and locate Auto Enchant, toggle it on. Once enabled, assign a priority list for which slots receive enchantments first. This prevents wasting tokens. Make sure to set max enchant level limits so the system won't over-enchant items beyond your intended threshold, because automatic actions follow these rules exactly. Next, you define how auto-enchant behaves by creating rules. Set priority numerically so weapons get enchants before armor, for example. This ensures important gear improves first. Then pick fail-safe options. Stop after a set number of failures, or preserve a percentage of tokens to avoid draining resources. Once done, link conditions like minimum durability and player level. This makes the system skip risky items. Finally, enable notifications so you know outcomes immediately and can intervene if needed. Now run Auto Enchant on a small batch to validate settings. This confirms your priority and failsafes work as intended. While it runs, monitor logs and notifications. Pause immediately if errors or unexpected token loss appears. Once satisfied, execute on primary gear in controlled batches. If something goes wrong, restore your saved loadout, check that the mod version matches the game build, and reconfigure rules with stricter limits. One troubleshooting tip: update or reinstall the auto.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.